Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So stay tuned for that reading, Gemini. So that will follow this general reading. So let's see what are the cards. We have Five of Pentacles in reverse, Page of Wands in reverse, and Seven of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Gemini, you have achieved certain things in your life. You have seen success, and you are waiting for the next path, to take up the next path. So something has come up, some kind of some kind of an opportunity or offer, and you are waiting to make the right choice. So you do not have that clarity, maybe you don't know what will work. So it may be a choice in your work situation, guys. So you are waiting to make the right choices today in your situation, guys. Waiting and seeing where things are going. Or maybe it may be a situation in your relationship. You have some doubts. You love this person, but you don't know whether this relationship will work. You want marriage with this person, but you do not have clarity. So maybe for some reason you're waiting, and there may be some misunderstandings, quarrels in your relationship. So that again is making you wait. So you want clarity, only then you can take the next step. So you are waiting for that, guys, patiently. You are not making any decision today. So this may be your energy or this person's energy, guys, Gemini. And Gemini, I also see that in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work, or it may be again in your relationship. Just like I said, you have that you have some doubts or confusions where to go or what should be your choice. And the reason may be some kind of news in your situation. Maybe you are getting some kind of an announcement, maybe in your work, or it may be in your relationship. So the words this person speaks, that is really confusing you a lot. You do not have clarity, and you are still thinking, and you don't know what is the right thing for you. So for some of you, it may be some kind of a bad news or some shocking announcement coming today in your life. It may be in your work or in your relationship today, guys. So that is changing the way things are going. Maybe that may be the reason you are waiting. You would have expected this to happen. You would have had a clue that something is happening, and it has come to this. Maybe today you will know the truth, guys. What is there in this person's mind, Gemini. So that is the energy with these cards, Gemini. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals, and it is going to be like a pick a card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, choose with these crystals or the cards, whatever comes to you first. So that card may answer your questions or clear your doubts, guys. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, guys, and this crystal. Let's see what it is. We have Archangel Raghul. So it is an angel card here, guys. It just means that angels are here guiding us today. And maybe in your life today, for those who chose this card, you feel that you have been unfairly treated. Someone has wronged you in some ways, and it is really difficult for you to maintain that harmony and balance. So, however, you are trying to console yourself, let go of all that hurt. You feel really hurt and you are so much emotionally disturbed because of the way they treated you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may also be involved in some kind of a lawsuit. So, some legal matters are also happening today in your life. But you need not worry, guys. This angel card is a guidance for you all. So, and the guidance is clarity of thought, and you will feel harmony in your self, guys. You will have that balanced nature. You will again have that. Maybe today you are quite emotional. Maybe you are crying. You are very much disturbed. But all that is going to resolve for you all, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and this angel card is the guidance for you all. So all your emotional disturbances, and maybe if there is some kind of a lawsuit, or if you want clarity of thought, that is what is happening today in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So what is the second card and the second crystal? For those who chose this second crystal and this card, so let's see what it is. We have Celestite. So this crystal spirit's guidance for us today is that, guys, maybe angels or that higher power or God, whatever we call it, that is helping us by whispering to us, showing us signs through people. It may be strangers or someone you barely know. So you are facing some specific challenges in your relationship, guys, and these angels are dedicated to be your friend, healer, and will do anything they can to connect you to people with gifts for you. So they are going to help you open your eyes, see the truth, and guide you in the right way, guys. So you may have people telling you some words, and that may point you, or that may give you clarity in certain things, but you need to be very attentive, guys, because angels are here guiding you. And with a simple prayer, with our honest intention to listen to them, we can invoke their blessings today, the angels' blessings in your situation. So if you are facing any challenges in your relationship, this angel spirit is guiding you to come out of that difficulty, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this second card. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this crystal and this card, we have chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in our relationship today, nothing is more important than those simpler day-to-day activities that we do together, guys. So sometimes not everything has to be big. We may not be achieving some big things today. And we need to understand that relationships and friendships often go through lulls, and everyday tasks are the ones that is going to create a center of awareness, and that is what is perfect for the time right now. So you need to uh, what is a don't go for huge decisions or big things right now. You just have to go for the simpler, smaller things like holding hands, reading a book together, sharing a meal, just being with this other person, spending time with them. So that is going to work in a magical way in this relationship. And just being present is going to change the way things are between you both, guys. So everything is going all right. You need to understand that, and just spending time with them is going to resolve many difficulties in this relationship for you guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.